How to add story on Snapchat public profile. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started with the process. In today's video, I'm going to show you two ways you can do it. First is clicking any picture or adding it from your gallery section. Once done, tap on this Send To button, and if you already have a public profile, it will show you three options. One is My Story, which is friends only. Another is My Story Public, and this is private one. Now, if you would like to add that photo that you just clicked or added in your public story, select this button, then send. And likewise, it will be added onto your public profile. If you tap onto it, you can see your story is public. This being one way, let's move forward with another way. Tap onto Bitmoji, tap on public profile, then you will see storage. In order to add another stories, tap on this Add Snap. Select anything. I'm going to select this one. Tap next again. You can also give it any title. Then tap Finish. Wait for this to load. And likewise, you can see that now this photo has been added onto my public stories. Just like so guys, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.